We shift our focus to Karnataka now, where Republic TV continues its investigation against the illegal immigrants. Now, in the latest action that we're getting in is that it's a big Republic Kannada investigation impact. First of all, we will let us tell you. And now, bulldozer action is being now carried out on against the Bangladeshi infiltrators and their camps right now in Bengaluru. Mega crackdown in Karnataka is being witnessed after Republic exposed the Bangladeshi infiltrators. Illegal camps of Bangladeshis have been demolished on the outskirts of Bengaluru. Electricity has been cut, police raids have been conducted, and the sheds have been demolished after the investigation. My colleague Sri Lakshmi joins us live from the our Kannada newsroom in Bengaluru. Well, it's a massive action and a big Republic Kannada newsbreak impact. Sri Lakshmi.
Yes, Rakshita, very true. Republic Kannada conducted this whole sting operation, which is very, very crucial to the national security. In Bangalore itself, we met 4 to 5 Bangladeshi infiltrators. On camera, we have recorded all those things and showed it to the government. As a big impact of our story, bulldozer action has been taken against Bangladeshi infiltrators, especially few sheds were demolished completely in Anekal, and 15 days warning have been issued to the residents who are residing over there, which are hundreds in number, which is quite shocking, and they have been evacuated completely as of now. Banerghatta Inspector Krishna Kumar took the leadership, and he raided over these sheds. Illegal electricity have been already cut off, and the person named as Kabir, who has given places to these sheds, have been warned against, and now many more actions police have been they are taking against these Bangladeshi infiltrators. But the saddest part is, Rakshita, government has not come up yet, even after repeated evidence which have been given by Republic Kannada, which has been shown on TV, direct visuals we have shown, but still government has not been come up with any kind of specific action plan to deport these Bangladeshi infiltrators, illegal infiltrators, to their original country. It is also said that off the record, when we spoke to few people, it is said that 4 to 5 lakh people, infiltrators, are there in the state, but no specific action plan has been announced yet. Rakshita.
Right. Thank you so much, Sri Lakshmi, for joining us with those updates coming in. Viewers, the Republic TV's relentless campaign and investigation on the illegal immigration continues, and the impact is very much visible right now in Bengaluru.